there was a lot of criticism about the people who had attended, both in the press as well as village level, saying we had gone on a holiday. Hopefully, we managed to tell people who were in the know that it was not a holiday, that some of us could afford holidays on our own. We don't require government-sponsored tours, especially not me, because I can't keep up with those tours, the itinerary of the tours. It is just getting out from one hotel, jumping into another one, and getting up from that and jumping into the bus, again going to another hotel, and these are not our sort of holidays. Okay. But we managed to stem the criticism that time. But after discussions were held among the Gaonkars and the people of Saligao also, the Saligao comunidade wrote a letter objecting totally. I can give you proof. Immediately on our return from, we returned from on the 17th of November last year, not last year, year before last, from Europe. Within, by March, most of the letters were written and handed over, where the Gaonkars also put in their objections and the reasons for the objections. But that is not what I am objecting, and what I am not saying is after that I attended inauguration where our Defence Minister, Mr. Parrikar, President CM, and all the ministers, including Advocate Francis, was there, was a part of the mission for this garbage plant. But